everyone, this is Pooja Nautiyal. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be very interesting because in this I'm going to show you my 2024 December empties and will I be repurchasing them or not. Before starting the video, I like to say that please excuse all my packing. I've been traveling, that's the reason my luggage is all over. So let's start with our video. Please welcome Simba, everyone. He doesn't care. Say hi. He doesn't want to. Okay, let's start the video. So the first, अच्छा पहले मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ कि आओ, yeah. He wants to sit here. Okay, so as I was saying, this is how the box actually looks like. There's a lot of stuff inside, so I'll be starting one by one. The first thing which has come into my hand is this Anora Brazilian wax beans. So this is like a strapless, do we call them strapless? Stripless. Sorry. So this is basically a stripless wax wherein you just heat it in your wax heater and directly apply it. I have used this in my previous video also and I really love it. Like, it's very nice. It just grips on the every hair, even the smallest of the ingrown hairs as well, and takes them out. So I really loved this one and I'm definitely going to repurchase the Anora wax beans. I really loved it. So definitely a repurchase, guys. The second one is this Global Desi Rhythmic Soul perfume by Ajmal. So this is their collaboration with Global Desi. Still left. It's this much left. Did not like it at all. Very fruity. I don't like a lot of fruity fragrances. I like to have more of fresh fragrances, but this one was very fruity and sweet, so I didn't like it. Definitely not a repurchase for me. So this is a Miniso perfume which is called Cancer. This comes from their line of zodiac signs and horoscope perfume range. So obviously I'm not a Cancerian, I'm a Virgo, but I still like the fragrance of this Cancer perfume more. Definitely a repurchase. So I will repurchase it once I'm done with this much also. Okay, so the next is also a perfume. Let's finish perfumes first and then go on to other things. This is also from Miniso. It's called the Wonderland perfume. Really loved it. It's fully finished. Oh sorry, it's not the Wonderland. It's the Wonderland Dark Musk. I'm pronouncing everything wrong today. It's the Dark Musk perfume by Miniso Wonderland. I have forgotten if this was from Miniso or from West Side. No, this is from Miniso only. I'm not sure, but I guess I bought these two together. So whatever. This one's also nice and this one's also very good. This one gives some base notes of sandalwood, so I really like this perfume. You can definitely try this. Also, this is a unisex perfume, so even men can use it. Definitely a repurchase. Loved it. This Ramson's You Are Sweet perfume. This is one of the perfumes which comes under 150 rupees. Definitely doesn't stay for a long time. It's like maybe it stays for an hour or so. But I like the smell and I like the fragrance of the perfume. It's very harsh for some people. So if you don't like very harsh perfume smells, then this is not for you. But I kind of prefer sometimes, those manly and harsh fragrances. So for those days, and when I don't want to waste my money too much, for those days. Repurchase, maybe when I'm broke again, I'll repurchase it. For now, I won't. Okay, Under the category of perfumes only, now we come up to underarm deodorants. I have two. One is the Chemist at Play AHA BHA underarm deodorant roll-on, and the other one is from Yardley. Let's start with the Yardley one. So the Yardley one is very nice. It is definitely sweat absorbent, so you don't sweat for 24 hours, even though it is said that it's 48 hours active. But no, obviously we take a bath in every 24 hours. So this one's very nice, very girly, I would say. Like, the fragrance is very girly, flowery and stuff like that, so I really like it. It's anti-sweat also. That's that's the job of an antiperspirant but roll on. But yeah, this one does its job really well, so definitely a repurchase. Now, Chemist at Play, a lot of people love this one. I love a lot of things from Chemist at Play. It definitely takes care of the darkness under your underarms. Although I won't lie, I don't have a lot of darkness in my underarms, and I didn't have it earlier on also when I was a child. And those some dark patches because of shaving or a lot of waxing, that went off when I went for my laser hair reduction. So that laser also really helped with that. And this one is good because it controls the odor for very long, so you don't smell for, I guess, more than 24 hours when you apply that. But it doesn't do anything for your sweat, and that's what I don't like about it. I love how mildly exfoliating it is, so that you get rid of all the darkness in your underarms. I love how odor protecting this is, but I don't like the fact that it is not sweat resistant. So yeah, that's something I don't like about it. Repurchase, I don't think so, but I liked it, but I won't repurchase it. These are underarm sweat pads. This is from some brand जिसका मैं बाहर का पैकेट फेंक चुकी हूँ, तो मुझे याद नहीं है. I guess this is from Safi or P-Safe. Sorry, this is from P-Safe. These are underarm sweat patches which you can attach in your clothes, and then you don't sweat. Like, you sweat, but this will absorb it. Didn't like them at all. Haven't used any of them. Just used one, and it did not stick on my clothes well. Didn't work for me at all. Definitely never repurchasing them. Okay, now this one from Earth Rhythm. Earth Rhythm is one of my favorite brands for my cheek tint, my lip and cheek. What am I doing? My lip and cheek tint. I love the Earth Rhythm cheek tint. From that favorite brand of mine, I also got this makeup remover, which you just have to put into water and then use it. But how I use it is, I spray micellar water on my face, and then I wet this sponge up and then clean my makeup. Definitely works, but it's a task, and to wash it every time you remove your makeup. So I don't like so much hassle products when I'm working for something that I just want to remove in seconds. Like, I don't want that task to be lengthy, and this one makes it. So repurchasing, I don't think so, because this is going to be used for a long time, and I have another one as well in pink color from the same brand. I'll keep using them, but I won't repurchase them. Okay, the next is something which I'm using right now. As I said, I'm traveling, so this is like a travel bottle which I just bought like 2-3 days ago, but I don't know why I've kept inside this repurchase box. Okay, so the Neutrogena Deep Clean. This is one face wash which I trust when I'm traveling, when I'm somewhere where I don't have my skincare products, or when I'm at somebody else's house, because this is so easy to get. You can get it in any supermarket, any pharmacy store near you. You can get it anywhere. So that's why I really like this one, and it cleanses your face also very nice. Doesn't give your face acne, doesn't strip your skin, or strip the oils out of your pores. It doesn't do that. It definitely cleanses your face very well, but doesn't strip your skin from its natural oil or moisture barrier. Repurchase, definitely. My favorite Aqualogica Watermelon Glow Plus Dewy Niacinamide sunscreen with PA+++ rating, SPF 50. Now I have learned everything about this sunscreen because I love this sunscreen so much. This is one sunscreen which I keep repurchasing. It's been 3 years of me continuously using Aqualogica sunscreens. I do use vitamin C every now and then, but vitamin C doesn't really suit me because of my acne prone skin. So Aqualogica watermelon dewy sunscreen, which has niacinamide in it, one of my favorite sunscreens. I have already repurchased it. The bigger bottle is in my bag at my back, and I'll keep repurchasing it till I don't find something else or some other sunscreen which I love as much as I love this one. Beautiful sunscreen. The glow it gives. Currently also I'm applying this sunscreen and some concealer, so there's no foundation on my face at the moment. It's just this sunscreen and concealer, and I love it. Look at the glow. I love it. Okay, so the next is the Dermaco 30% AHA, 2% BHA face peeling solution, which has glycolic, lactic, mandelic, and salicylic acid. Now, definitely the Chemist at Play one, I really like that one, but I also like this one because I've been using chemical exfoliants for a long time, so it doesn't strip my skin a lot. But for somebody who's using it for the very first time, it might be a little harsh for you. So if you have sensitive skin or you're just starting to use chemical exfoliants, I'd suggest you to use the Chemist at Play one. But otherwise, I love the Dermaco one. Repurchase it? Yeah, I will, because this is also, I guess, my second or third bottle, so I will repurchase it for me. The other is, okay, this is a combination. So this is Benzac AC Benzol Peroxide face wash and creme. So this is 2.5% benzol peroxide and this is 5% benzol peroxide, because this is face wash and it doesn't stay on your face for more than 60 seconds. And this one is a spot treatment, or wherever you have acne, you use it and you can keep it overnight or for the day or for how long as you want to. So that's why this is in the 2.5% concentration and this is in the 5% concentration. It's very good for when you're dealing with those stubborn acne. I tend to get a lot of stubborn acne on my chin area when it's that time of the month, or when I'm dealing with something hormone wise. I get a lot of chin acne, so for those times I love to use this combination. Sometimes I don't use the face wash, I just clean my face with any face wash that's available, and I use my moisturizer, and then I use this benzol peroxide gel cream on those areas where I have the acne. Okay, repurchase, definitely. I've been repurchasing this all my life, I'd say. The next is this Dot & Key Cica Plus Niacinamide Oil-Free Moisturizer. So obviously, as I have oily acne-prone skin, I tend to search for moisturizers which are oil-free, which are not oil-based, sometimes which are gel-based moisturizers. So before this, I was using the Excella Niacinamide Moisturizer. Loved that one, but it's expensive and it runs out very fast. So that's why I tried using this one. Loved it a lot, but will I repurchase it? I'm not sure. I loved it. It was beautiful. It did not strip my skin, didn't give me acne, but I don't know, yeah. It didn't do like a lot for my skin, so I'm not sure if I'll repurchase it. Like, I might, okay? So I'm not sure, as I said. I don't know why is the makeup spray over here. This is the Revolution Glow Fix fixing spray. Lovely. I'm doing a little bit of makeup now, तो मैं आपको डाल के दिखा देती हूँ. So this is basically a makeup fixer which is glow based and it doesn't mattify your skin. It gives it a very nice glow and sheen look on your face. So I really love this one. तो ये ख़त्म हो गया इसलिए यहाँ पर है. So repurchase definitely. ये तो भाई इतने टाइम से ख़त्म ही नहीं हुई है. Dot & Key Cica Calming Skin Renewing Night Gel. A lot of people really like it and they enjoy using it. It doesn't give them acne, but I don't know why I don't like this. This makes me feel so sticky. It feels like it's using Iodex on your face. I don't know why. I mean, it's not bad, but for me, like, no, I don't like it. Definitely not a repurchase for me. बहुत सारी चीज़ें. this soulflower, rosemary and lavender oil. Now obviously I don't have hair only on my head and I have so many grey hair, so I keep on coloring my hair. Abhi maine हाल फिलहाल में I've colored them black. Earlier on they were golden blonde, so whatever. So I don't have a lot of hair. In order to keep these many hair on my head, I tend to use a lot of oil products, but I don't get a lot of time to oil my hair. So whenever I get the time, I try to use something which is good and which will do good for my hair. So I like this rosemary lavender hair oil. Repurchase, I don't think so कि मेरे पास time भी आएगा repurchase करने का, because मैं ये use कर लूँ वही बहुत है. तो no नहीं करूँगी. हाँ, this one अभी you can't even see because इसका packaging is fully damaged. This is the Foxtail Daily Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I don't use this serum in everyday gigs. I tend to use this when I'm doing my makeup or when I'm going out or when I'm shooting or when it's my shoot day. So only then I use this. Love it. It's like a very basic hyaluronic acid serum. It's in the budget also, so I really like it. Repurchase, definitely yes, if I need a hyaluronic acid serum. Otherwise I won't. I'll just tell you about these four and let these go because they're not important. The Skin Clarity Makeup Remover Wipes. I didn't even know the brand. I just wanted some makeup remover wipes, so I ordered it or bought it from somewhere. I don't even remember. I don't like to use makeup wipes, and you shouldn't because it strip your skin a lot. But sometimes when you're feeling lazy, I think these work and I can keep it in my like handbag and use it. So repurchase, no, but I like it. It's okay. The Foxtail Acne Control Cleanser, I used it today. This is a tester product which I received from shopping from some website. Will I repurchase it? No. Then there is this Cetaphil Dam Moisturizer Daily Advanced Moisturizer for sensitive skin. Beautiful, beautiful moisturizer to use once you've done a chemical exfoliant like this. So whenever I exfoliate my skin, I use this moisturizer, or even when I'm not exfoliating my skin and sometimes, you know, your skin feels dry or stretchy or flaky. So this moisturizer is really good. Even oily, acne prone people can use this moisturizer because it's non-comedogenic. It won't clog your pores, won't give you acne. So will I be repurchasing it? Most definitely. I loved it. The last product is this Insight concealer. I don't know why I bought this. I was looking for some cheap concealer because I wanted something to be used on daily basis. So I was looking for a cheap concealer, but ये तो भाई इतना cheap है कि क्या ही बताऊँ. मतलब it's not cheap in terms of money only, it's cheap in terms of the product also. So I didn't like it. Why did my accent sound like South Indian? Okay. So as I was saying that I didn't like this at all. First of all, this doesn't match my shade at all. It's definitely my mistake because I bought it online and I didn't know my shade. But even otherwise, I don't like the consistency at all. I don't like how the product looks on the skin. Hated it. Will I repurchase it? Never. So that was it. Those are the few product empties that I had with me till now. By the end of the year, some of them I've already thrown out. So that it's a thing with me. When I've used a product, I don't like to keep the empties and I throw them off. I'm going to be throwing these off also very soon once I'm done with them completely. And I've shown you which one I'll repurchase and which one I won't. Also, I've bought a full new skincare kit. As I said, I'm traveling, so once I am at my destination, I'm going to be showing you the entire new skincare kit that I've created. So please keep on waiting for that, and if you want something special on my YouTube channel, do let me know that also. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you another time. Bye bye everyone. Love ya.